Remove every trace of dust, adhesive, and fasteners so the subfloor is flat, dry, and smooth for a vinyl plank installation. Start by sweeping thoroughly to gather large debris, then vacuum with a shop vacuum using a crevice tool to remove fine dust from seams and edges. Scrape remaining adhesive with a rigid putty knife or floor scraper held at a low angle, working in short passes and keeping the blade sharp to avoid gouging the subfloor. Probe for nails or staples by running your hand lightly over the surface, and then remove any protruding fasteners with pliers or a hammer and nail puller, and countersink any remaining heads slightly below the surface. For stubborn adhesive residue, apply a manufacturer-approved adhesive remover sparingly. Follow dwell time directions, wipe with clean rags, and ventilate the room. Do not soak the subfloor. Check for high or low spots by laying a straight edge or a long level across multiple directions, and mark any depressions larger than 1/8 of an inch per 6 feet for patching. Measure moisture with a reliable moisture meter appropriate for the subfloor material, and compare readings to the vinyl plank manufacturer's limits before proceeding. 3 common mistakes are leaving fine dust in seams, which causes telegraphing under the vinyl, missing a hidden staple that later punctures the plank, and installing over a damp subfloor that causes adhesive failure. For dust, vacuum twice and wipe with a slightly damp microfiber cloth, allowing full drying time. For fasteners, run a metal detector or sand the surface lightly to expose anything that was missed and remove or countersink it. For moisture, always test multiple spots. Address sources of moisture first, and use an approved moisture mitigation system if readings exceed the product limit. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find projects and clients in their area. We host an active discussion community where users share tips, ask questions, and post real experiences about preparation steps like subfloor cleaning and moisture testing.